Dan Williams I Leo Smith. A Leo Smith yn siapio I ergydio. Mae yna le iddo fo ergydio. Hwna'n mynd am y gornel. A'r ail gynnig yn cael ei arbed gan George Ratcliffe. Ergyd dda gan Leo Smith. Declan McManus ar ail gynnig. A George Ratcliffe yn dangos dwylo da. Ben Clark at Adrian Chislewicz rwan, sy'n rhedeg am Owen Pritchard. Chislewicz yn ôl I Ben Clark. Lle I Clark ergydio. A doedd hwnna ddim yn bell o gwbl gan Ben Clark. Ergyd o bellter. George Ratcliffe yn gorfod ymestyn amdani. A doedd hwnna ddim yn bell dros y trawst gan Clark. Astles yn gweld rhediad Leo Smith. Dim cam sefyll, mae Smith drwyddo. A Smith yn taro'r ergyd yn syth I gyfeirio George Ratcliffe sy'n gwneud arbediad campus. Mi oedd gan Leo Smith yr holl amser yn y byd I reoli honna a thanio'r ergyd, ond Ratcliffe yn sefyll y gadarn. Chwarae ymlaen a Danny Davies sydd yn yr cwrt Cosby. Davies yn ergydio. George Ratcliffe ar y postyn agosa yn arbed yn wych unwaith eto. Davies yn effro i'r cyfle yna o'r bas letraws ac yn ergydio'n isel, ond Ratcliffe yn sefyll yn ddigon cadarn. Williams allan at Ryan Astles. Astles I Dan Williams. Josh Daniels. Yn ôl I Williams. Dan Williams yn troi ac yn ergydio'n isel. A hwnna yn canfod Kevin yr Rwyd. Yn y gornel bella. Ergyd wych gan Daniel Williams. Ac mae'r Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Llai na chwarter awr I fynd. Ac o'r diwedd maen nhw'n llwyddo I gael y gol agoriadol.
Yeah, look, obviously, you know, we've been in for 3 months now. We've been playing football for 3 months with pre-season, Europe, etc. And you know, we were obviously a bit disappointed what happened in Europe. We'll review it and look at it and how can we do better next time. You know, we can't just brush it under the carpet. We've got to be better. You know, it starts straight away, and it started from the minute we got beat and knocked out of Europe. Then the hard work starts again to try and improve every way, shape we can, every bit of the club, on the pitch, off the pitch. Obviously, the stands being built, and we're looking to bring players in and add competition, and we're looking to be a better team than what we were last year. So yeah, it's we've come here and we've proved we can win a scruffy game. We proved last week we could blow teams away by our attacking prowess, and today we've defended well, clean sheet, and we've won 1-0.
Yeah, well, listen, the focus is 22 games, and you know our start is difficult. We're playing against the 3 sides that have been in Europe. So our aim was clear. We wanted to have 3 performances and making sure that we had an outcome in some of those games as well. So in the main, I think it's been good. It's going to put us in good stead to the next 20 games that we have going forward. So I'm not particularly worried about the point allocation in the first 3 games. It's about performance and trying to get some outcomes. But yeah, we're in a good spot.
Dan Williams, he doesn't necessarily score that often, but he took his goal well today.
Yeah, he did. Well, he did take his goal well today. Yeah, it did. Yeah. So yeah, he's had 2 or 3 other shots back where the keepers have just got there. They've trickled in. But which, to be fair, he's hit his and it's went in the bottom corner. And as the old adage goes, if you don't shoot, you don't score. And it was very apt today.
I had 2 other chances which I probably should have done better with. But yeah, it just come to me on the edge of the box, touch and keep it low and hard. And thankfully it's gone in.